Audra, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda and the Perks at Work Auto Buying Service. Listen, just reaching out to you. Saw where you'd inquired in looking for information on the all-new 2018 Honda Odyssey. This is the EXL trim package like you inquired about in our Lunar Silver Metallic. You're looking at the most technologically advanced minivan on the streets right now in North America. Honda has done an amazing job, always been one of our best-selling products. It's the most family-friendly option for you whenever you need those eight seats. I mean, you've got two rows in the back there. The second row is fully removable. The third even folds down into a deep cargo well. And let me show you the inside of this cab. Beautiful, beautiful, cleaned up console space, top grain, heated leather seats. It's going to have a push button automatic transmission to go along with your screen there, which is going to be compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's a multi-information panel. You also have a full digital display for your miles per hour and another information panel there as well. And safest vehicle in our class right now. Plenty of power in our VTEC engine. 5-star safety rated vehicle, and it's a top safety pick plus, man. I cannot wait to show it to you in person. You can reach me today at 205-504-2358, and you can contact me there by phone or text. And I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.